Assalamu alaikum, my dear beloved student. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is Unseen Part B, question number 4 and 5. I repeat, our today's topic is Unseen Part B, question number 4 and 5. Dear students, look at the picture. Can you guess who is he? Yes, he is our famous national professor, Professor Muhammad Ibrahim. Our today's unseen passage is on this famous professor, Professor Muhammad Ibrahim. So let's start our class. At first, we will read the passage at first. Read the following text and answer question number 4 and 5. Dear students, we will read the passage very much carefully so that we can answer question number 4 and 5. National Professor Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim, physician, teacher, organizer, was born in Murshidabad, India on 31 December 1911. He spent major part of his life in the government health services in 12 different key positions after getting the MBBS degree in 1938. Look at the full form of MBBS. I have written here MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Dear students, this is the first professional degree in medicine and surgery from medical college and universities. I repeat, this is the first professional degree in medicine and surgery from medical college and universities. He received MRCP in 1949. So look at the full form of MRCP here, magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography. I repeat, magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography, the full form of MRCP. He was made FCCP in 1950. So look at the word FCCP. I have written here full form. It is Fellow of the College of Chest Physicians. It is Fellow of the College of Chest Physicians. He founded the Diabetic Association in Dhaka in 1956. Yes, Diabetic Association in Dhaka in 1956. He also founded its branches in Karachi and Lahore, West Pakistan in 1964. He established BARDEM. Look at the full form of BARDEM here. I have written Bangladesh Institute of Research and Rehabilitation. It is rehabilitation in diabetes, endocrine and metabolic disorder. So diabetes, we all know that diabetes is a disease in which a patient suffer from high blood sugar. So the patients who suffer from high blood sugar, they are called the diabetic patient. In 1980, in recognition to his contribution, that means to get the reward of his works in the health and social sector, Muhammad Ibrahim received numerous prizes, medals and honors from different organizations. Some of such awards are Independence Day Gold Medal, 1979, Mahabub Ali Khan Memorial Trust, 1985, Khan Bahadur Ahsanullah Memorial Trust, 1989. He died on 6 September 1989 and he was buried in the Bonani graveyard. Now our reading session is done. We will go to our table. Question number 4. Complete the table with the appropriate information given the above passage. So look, I have written like this. At first it is who, what, then event, activity, where, place and when. You have already known these things. So number 1, it is Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim, event, it is born. Then where, it is written here Murshidabad, India, and we need to put here the time when he was born. So when, so look at the very beginning of our passage. National Professor Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim, physician, teacher, organizer, was born in Murshidabad in 31 December 1911. So we will put here 1911. Number 2, MRCP. event activity. So we will go to the passage to get the exact answer. He received MRCP in 1949. He received MRCP. That means was received. Here MRCP, the degree is given at first here. So we will write in passive structure. It will be was received. Was received. RECEIVED. Was received. MRCP was received by him in 1949. He founded the Diabetic Association. That means where places. So we will go to the passage. He founded the Diabetic Association in Dhaka. So the information here will be Dhaka in 1956. Next, Dash was established Dhaka 1980. So we will go to the passage. He established Bardem in 1980. 1980 is given. So what will be the who and what? It is Bardem. We need to write Bardem in full form, in short form, BIRDEM. So in the passage I have written the full form of Bardem, BIRDEM, Bardem. Was established Dhaka in 1980. Last, complete the table. He received Independence Day Gold Medal. So look at the passage. The when it will be Independence Day Gold Medal, it is 1979. So we will write here 1979. These are our complete the table from the text. Now we will go to our true false session. Read the passage again and write if the statements are true or false. Give correct answer if the statement is false. So look at the first one. Muhammad Ibrahim was a government service holder. So from the very beginning or in the second or third line we have got the idea that he spent major part of his life in the government health service. That means the information is correct. We will write here true, TRUE, true. Bardem was founded in 1956. So we will go to the passage to get the correct idea, correct answer. He founded the Diabetic Association in 19. He also founded branches done. He established Bardem. Bardem it was in 1980. So look what is written here. It is written Bardem was founded in 1956. It is false. Correct answer. Bardem was founded in 1980. From the passage we have got the idea. Now he was the founder of Diabetic Association in Dhaka. Yes, the statement is true. He was also FCP. He founded the branches in Lahore like this one, association. That means the statement is true. Next, he was born in Dhaka. No, from the passage we have learned that he was born in Murshidabad in India. So this one is false. Correct answer. He was born in Murshidabad, India. Murshidabad, India. Last, true false. He was awarded Independence Day Gold Medal in 1979. Okay, let's see the idea. Some of us awards are Independence Day Gold Medal 1979. That means the statement is true. So look at the end of our board. I have given your SW. Your SW is Unseen Part B, question number 4 and 5. Dear students, now I hope that you have understood our today's discussion and you have understood our today's unseen passage and question number 4 and 5. Keep practicing question number 4 and 5 and do your SW in your specific SW copy and submit it on next Sunday. And keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.